Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace a broken screen on an HP 24-CR0042 that a client brought into the shop. As you can see on the right, it has these lines. That is usually an indication of a small crack somewhere on the edges. So let's get into the video. The first thing we're going to be doing is removing the base. To do that, we're going to stand it up, and you can see on the bottom of this base there is a little button. There it is. If you push this in while pulling it out, you'll be able to remove the base. After that, we're going to remove the bezel, so just gently pry it up and peel it away from the computer. Next, we're going to remove the screws. After that, starting at the bottom corners, we're going to carefully slide it in a pry tool and go all the way around the screen, gently prying it up until it's loose. Now that it's loose, we can carefully stand it up and begin disconnecting the cables. Now we must disconnect the cables connected to the screen. To disconnect this cable, you can see there are these little metal clips. Pushing them in will allow you to remove the cable. Once all of the cables are removed, we must now unscrew these screws. Now that the screws are all removed, we can simply remove this frame and replace our broken panel with a new one. From here on, it's simply a matter of reversing the steps we did to take it apart. Now when snapping it back into place, you want to use the palm of your hand to apply more even pressure, as using your fingertips can often lead to applying too much pressure in one spot and lead to cracking the screen. And there we go, it's all done. I'm going to leave the base off for now, just so that it can lie flat. Now let's just plug it in and give it a final test. And there we go. So that's how you repair a broken screen on an HP 24-CR0042 all-in-one computer. If you need to source a replacement screen, there'll be a link down below. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us over at lcdguarantee.com, and we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.